All right, good morning everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. As discussed before class, we talked about we're going to do a few different sections today. We're going to do section 2.4, going over the compressor, and we're going to have a sneak peek as well at the beginning of class here on section 2.6, which is our valve. We have a great treat for you that we have a good simulation to go through on each and explain these in greater detail. So with that being said, let's get started. Go to section 2.4. In section 2.4, here you can see our overview from our text. These are the various areas that we're taking a deeper dive in. As you know, today's topic focuses on the marine compressor. Now, the marine compressor itself in its simplest form is taking low pressure and converting it to high pressure by using an energy source. Go to compressor. Now, here's a nice visual simulation of our compressor. Let's take a closer look. Zoom in. Now here you can see we're able to manipulate this visualization in many different ways. Better look at the compressor from any angle we'd like, such as rotate right, rotate down, and as promised, we're going to go through a simulation. Start simulation. So now as the simulation is starting up, let's talk about what you can't see from a static image versus what you can see in this picture. So as we discussed, you have low pressure going into a high pressure chamber and having a heat source fire off. Zoom in. Now taking a closer look, here we can see all the fluids moving through the chamber itself, going in through one and coming out the other after the energy source has pushed it. So a couple more things I'd like to show you guys as a part of your training. Main menu. We have the cylinder head, we have how those screws are attached. We can look at the casing itself or the pistons, or we can even concentrate on one area such as the valves. So I'm going to give you a sneak preview in a minute of the valve themselves. First, open piston. Okay, so now we get a nice transparent view and we can take our learning further into either the piston area or any number of ones I showed here. And we can get it from many different angles. Rotate right. Zoom in. So now we get a better look at the actual piston chambers and we can see right through them to all the different parts, and even from here we can dissect and go further. So again, this is just the beginning. We're showing an overview, and the other sneak preview I promised you guys this morning was that we were going to go through the valve. Go back. Open valve. So here in the valve, what's great about this learning tool and what we're going to continue to do throughout this course is we're going to take some time actually dissecting, explore, and now in explore we can actually pull apart the entire device to get a good view of all the different parts and pieces that make it whole, right? What make it actually work. And part of your training is understanding in a better and deeper level what actually makes this device work. So again, this was just the overview. Reset. And we're going to go ahead and jump back into your text now. And we'll come back to each section and go into it in further detail.